Ever feel like something's missing from your Android home screen, especially that all-important Google search bar? You're not alone, and getting it back is simpler than you might think. First, locate an empty space on your Android home screen. You want to find a spot that isn't occupied by any apps or widgets. Once you've found it, press and hold your finger down on that empty area. You'll see a menu pop up, usually at the bottom of your screen. Look for an option that says Widgets and tap on it. This will take you to a screen filled with all sorts of handy widgets you can add to your home screen. Now you'll need to scroll through the list of available widgets. Keep an eye out for the Google app or a section specifically for Google search widgets. They might be grouped together. Once you find the Google section, you'll likely see a few different styles of search bar widgets. They might look slightly different depending on your Android version or phone manufacturer, but most will have at least one option that looks like the familiar search bar. Tap and hold your chosen Google search bar widget. Without lifting your finger, drag the widget to the exact spot on your home screen where you want it to appear. You can position it at the top, middle, or anywhere you find convenient. Release your finger and voil a tilde. Your Google search bar is now back on your Android home screen, ready for all your quick searches. This simple step instantly boosts your productivity and makes finding information on your device a breeze. Now you can effortlessly search the web, open apps, and access your device's features directly from your home screen. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your daily Android experience.